WhatsApp has a new feature that allows you to make custom stickers. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to create custom stickers in 2 different ways on WhatsApp. Now let's get started. To create custom stickers on WhatsApp, open WhatsApp on your smartphone and open a conversation you'd like to send stickers in. Then tap the sticker icon on the right side of the message text box. Now tap the plus sign to add a new sticker. You can then choose to create a sticker using an image from your device, or you can use the AI option to have a custom sticker generated for you. I'll show you how to use both of these, starting with the photo option. To create a sticker on WhatsApp using a photo, tap Use a Photo. Now select an image from your device's camera roll to use for your sticker. Depending on the complexity of your image, you may have multiple options for the design of your sticker at the bottom, including the full original image or an element of the image with the background removed. Tap the version you want to use. You can then use the tools at the top to add emojis or text to your sticker or doodle on it. These will work the same as the customization options for WhatsApp regular image sharing and status features. When you're happy with how your sticker looks, tap the blue arrow icon at the bottom to send it. To create stickers on WhatsApp using the AI option, tap the plus sign in the sticker menu, then select Generate with AI. Now type in a descriptive prompt for the app to create a sticker for you. The app will show you some examples if you need inspiration. The AI will create 4 different sticker options based on the prompt you've provided. If you're happy with one of these and want to use it, tap a sticker to send it. If you aren't happy with it, you can make a change to your prompt to get something closer to what you wanted. Once you've sent a custom sticker in your chat, that sticker will be added to your sticker menu at the top in the Recently Used section. This way you can easily find and use them again later in other conversations. That's all it takes to make custom stickers on WhatsApp in 2 ways. For more helpful WhatsApp tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of WhatsApp tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.